a bunch of the film just got cut out, so now I'm just filming from here. So hope you all enjoy the video. I guess this is just gonna be a weird beginning, but I'm at this bridge right now. Oh, almost slid out. That's neutral. Holy crap, I almost slid out again. No, come on. No cop, no stop. Sorry, bye. No cop, no stop. Let's go. Gotta get out of there now. There's a car behind me. Okay, wheelie. What are you eating? What the hell was that? Oh, it turned a squirrel inside out. That's disgusting. Alright, well, you can eat your food. Sorry for your disturbance. Should I drive my pit bike through the house? If this video gets 25 likes, I will. Let's go to the abandoned bus. Okay. MX Boomer, thanks for the bump on the server. Appreciate it, bud. School bus. Here, let me turn on the lights so y'all can probably see better. Okay. There's a lot of mosquito. They're eating my forehead up. Okay, let's drive this thing. Oh, wait, that's not a gear shifter, that's the door opener. This. And then clutch. I don't know what that is. Brakes. Now where's the gas pedal order? Oh, it actually shifts. Whoa. Okay, that's dumb. I'm not a little boy. Not a little boy. Help me. Let's read some of these. Die. No. Wait. What does that say? You're next, I think. Cool. And don't even look at some of these are really weird. Little kid hand. Weird. To the end. Or Ben, whatever, which one. Okay, 1 second. I need to breathe. Sorry for the out of breath. Alright. Awesome. You're next. And then awesome. Cool stuff. Pretty sketchy stuff. Kinda creepy. A Walmart sign. That's weird. Alright, well, close y'all up. Die. Nope, I'm good. You next. Down the line. F you, okay. I'm not gonna say that word. Yep, well, this is a school bus, y'all. We can get a shot of the front of it. Old little thing right there. Look at her. And a bucket in the ground. Cool, I guess. I wonder if she still runs. Not at all. This thing's been here for a long time. Look, cause look, this thing's open, and there's this tree right here. Also, there's this giant tree behind it, which means they probably been here for super long. Because this tree's like growing right into it, and then there's also trees in front of it. Alright, yep, that's the school bus tour. So, yeah, I don't know. I guess we'll go ride a little more. Since y'all come here to ride and not search freaking abandoned things, because I just suck at uploading stuff. And I have no idea what to upload. So y'all should probably give me ideas. But yeah, we'll get out of here. Go do a little bit of wheelies. Do some other shit maybe. I got eaten alive by mosquitoes though. But it was worth it. Maybe, who knows, maybe this will be my video that blows up. But I highly doubt it. Oh, my head is super itchy. Alright. We'll ride in a ditch. Yeah, ride in a ditch. Oh, yeah. Oh, switching to a ditch. No, actually that has a giant cobra. I would have just died. Okay, let's go down here actually, because I never went down here. What's it all? I already know what's down here though. It's a giant swamp. But it's a trail that hasn't been seen. Here she is. And there's a house way over there that someone bought all this land. Sadly, because we would come here and fish a lot. What's that? El Mahal trash. Okay. Now I'm in a mud pit, which I should have came over here to see what that silver thing is. Because it's just a stupid beer can. And now I am in a pickle. The stupid cord is wrapped around from that stupid shack earlier in the last video. Stupid cord. Hill climb. Easiest hill climb though, because it's not even that big of a hill. Alright, y'all. Probably should just call it quits, so